back. I hope you're all okay. We've had a load of new subscribers, so thank you so much. I hope you like it here. We're a little bit crazy. Sometimes we're a little bit boring, but it is what it is. I've had a delivery from a company called Your Sugar. So when I received this email, I personally hadn't heard of these before at all. So I had a quick look on their website and I am very impressed. So they gave me a choice. I had to choose 5 different colours off their website. So I've chosen a lovely white, 001. I think they all start with URH. I think that's like the start of their serial code, their product code. So 001 is the white. I like the consistency so far. I've yet to put it on the nail, so we're going to see what the coverage is like. The green is 058. Again, it looks really nice when I take it out of the bottle. It's not a super thick, creamy consistency. It's a little bit runnier than, say, like Madame Dam's cream polishes. But that's not a bad thing, because I really like the consistency of these. Like, I really liked them. You'll see in a moment when they go on the nail, but they're really nice. Really liking them. 026 was the red. Again, gorgeous Christmas red, gorgeous Christmas green. This one is, if I can find it on my table, 130, and oh my gosh, look at that. I thought, oh, this has got to be magnetic. It looked magnetic when I did this. The reflectiveness is so nice. It's not magnetic. I double checked my emails. I didn't ask for a magnetic polish. I just ordered a silver. Every time I come to do a voiceover, I get phone calls or messages. This one, holy moly, 129. It's a gorgeous holographic glitter, and it's got stars in it. I didn't even know it had stars in it when I asked for this one. So nice. So we're going to put them on the nail. We're going to see what the coverage is like together. Well, not together, but you're seeing it for the first time. And I love it. Absolutely love it. They remind me a lot of Born Pretty's quality. And you know how much I love Born Pretty. And it's in like the affordability range as well. Their price range is in Born Pretty sort of area. So it's stacking up for me. I was won over after I did this nail set, and I've gone on their website and I've ordered a few more things. So that's one coat of that white. So we're going to do 2, and also no yellowing, because sometimes white polishes, when you put them in the lamp, I don't know if anybody else has this or if my lamp is weird, but it's done it to like every single lamp I've owned, so I don't think it's the lamp. And it does it to all different polishes, so I don't think it's just a specific polish. But this, if you know what I mean, you'll know what I mean. But this doesn't yellow either, so I'm very happy about that. So that's going to go in the lamp. And then I've put a little bit of the red and the green. They're so perfect for Christmas. On the palette. And I should have used a thicker brush, or maybe even a striping brush for this, but I thought I'd go in with my long detailing brush instead. But we're going to do some little stripes. So I'm taking the red first, and I only needed to do 1 coat of the red onto the white. I haven't checked to see if the red would show up on a black with 1 coat, but I have ordered their black, so I can try that out another time. But for now, we're just going to try with what we've got. So I'm going to put these red stripes on, and I want to try and keep, it's quite hard to do sometimes, like keeping the lines the same thickness and keeping the space in, the gaps in between the same thickness as well. It's bloody hard. And then if you want to do it to like another nail to try and get them to match, it's near on impossible. So just wing it, just do what you gotta do. At the end of the whole set, it still looks good anyway. So it doesn't matter if it's a little bit off or the other nail isn't quite matching because they're not in the same place. As long as you've got some stripes on there, it's absolutely fine. So I do end up curing this before I go in with the next bit, but you don't have to because it's going to be in between. If you're a bit, not paranoid, a bit worried maybe that you're going to mess up the red or you're going to mess up the green that you're doing now and you feel like you might have to wipe it off, just go ahead and cure it, or flash cure the red. I haven't tested actually to see if these cure. I never asked the question to see if they cured in 30 seconds or 60 seconds. I'm presuming because the consistency and the quality is on par with Born Pretty. I just cured it for 60 seconds. In fact, I'm going to test out that theory right now. 2 minutes. It's not even 2 minutes for you, is it? It's like 6 seconds. So I've put it in for, I did 1 coat of the green and I popped it in because I thought it's really pigmented, that would be a good test, even though the red's really pigmented and the white's really pigmented. But I did the green and I've done it for 30 seconds and I've wiped off the sticky inhibition layer, and I've left it for a little tiny bit, and it's the tiniest wrinkling on one side, like 2 millimeters of wrinkling. So I think if your lamp is strong enough, 45 seconds, I think that would be perfect. Depending on the thickness, just call it 60 seconds. Let's just call it 60 seconds. You know, just to be on the safe side. It'll be fine. So cured the green, and then we've gone in with 130 and done some stripes over the red. And I did the exact same thing to the pinky, but I don't know if you saw, like I was saying, the lines are a little bit off compared to the first one, which is a normal thing, to be honest. It is what it is. But look at this red. How gorgeous is that? Look how pigmented is it? Oh, it's so good. So that's had 2 coats now. That was just the first coat though. I do love it when you get some polishes that do what you hope them to do, you wish for them to do. Yeah, really happy with these. Still smiling. So I've grabbed the white gel polish and I've done horizontal, vertical, diagonal lines to create a snowflake, using, like, dip your brush into the polish and then it'll have like a little bulbous blob on the end. Use that to create the ends of the snowflake arm sticks. Add some little extra sticky bits to the arm sticks of the snowflakes. Who knows what they're called? I think Miss Jo had this problem as well. She calls them arms. I don't know what the heck they are. I mean, does anybody know what they are? I think I'll stick with Miss Jo's advice and call them arms. The snowflake arms. So we're doing that all the way around, and we'll give that a cure. You can go over it a little bit more, because I didn't put much on the brush to do the lines. I was a bit dubious about the fact that it was going to spread too much, so I wasn't confident enough going straight in. I can wipe it off, but it is what it is. And then I've taken that silver one. Is it 130? Yes, 130. Done the standard 5 dots down, 5 dots across, 1 dot in kind of like each diagonal area. And then just drag out from the centre. My standard go-to snowflake. I'll add a few dots of the white and the silver to create some like falling snow. And then that's done. We can give it a cure. And I am also an affiliate for Your Sugar now, so I have a code for you. It's the same code for Born Pretty. I like to try and keep them all the same. If I get the option to choose. Oh, look at this. Let's just take a second. How gorgeous is that? And such good coverage too. Look at that, 1 coat. I don't even need 2 coats, but I ended up doing 2 coats for the full-on pizzazz. And then we're going to top it with, I presume it's a topper. It's just a glitter. It's not a topper. If it was a topper, it wouldn't have a sticky inhibition layer, and this does, so it is a gel polish. We do 2 coats of that as well with all the stars in. Yeah, so I'm an affiliate for Your Sugar. I tried to keep all of the discount codes the same if I get to choose them. So this one is the same as Born Pretty, so it's TLNR10. I'll link it down below in the description box anyway. And the last colour is the green. I love this. I was going to do snowflakes on this one as well, like we did on the red. I changed my mind just as I was about to do it, and I decided to do a weird tree. Obviously it's a Christmas tree, but I just feel like I did it really strangely. I think I've seen people do it like this, but with, I feel like I've done this before as well with the spider gel, but I can't remember. But I did the white zigzags, obviously bigger at the bottom for the base of the tree and then going gradually smaller up. And then I thought, oh genius, use some of that glitter to create like the background, the sparkly twinkling lights and the shimmer and the glistening of the tree. And then once that's cured, we can do another line that goes over the white line, like opposite sort of thing, in that silver. And plus you get a little star at the top because you're using that gorgeous glitter polish. So I'm just going to move all of that glitter around where I want it to be to get like the most glistening effect. And then we're going to go in with that silver polish, like I said, opposite almost. Not almost, it is opposite, isn't it? Oh, my brain just lately. Get it on there, get it cured. Give them all a top coat, glossy, matte, your choice. Personally, I think this looks better glossy because you've got all the sparkly twinkling glitter. I'm going to add some snow to this one as well. And I definitely, yes, I use silver. Do some silver dots too. See, usually when I get like new products that I've never used before, I do a swatch of everything, but because I've used every single thing on a full nail, the white, the red, the green, the silver, I didn't need to. Look at these, I'm so happy with them. Please do let me know what you think. I always love to hear what you guys have to say. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you to everyone that's new here as well, and all the old people. I love you all the same, you're amazing. Yeah, let me know what you think of your sugar. Have you heard of it before? Would you buy it? I'm made an order. I'm really liking what I've got so far. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!